Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Nendram varattiyathu or ghee fried Nendram banana. This is a very traditional and nostalgic dessert recipe in Kerala. Very healthy and easy way to gain weight in toddlers. This is an instant snack recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 2 ripe Nendran Pazham. I'm going to cut both the bananas in different shapes. To begin with, peel off the banana. To the first one, make a cut in the center and then make slices like this. Likewise, make all the slices. In this type of cutting, you will get 6 to 8 pieces based on the thickness of the slice you make. Today I have 8 slices. Now to the second one, peel off the skin and then make round cuts with 1 cm thickness. Now it's all ready, so let's go and fry them. Heat a pan, into this add 5 teaspoons of ghee. I've already made a video on how to make pure ghee at home. I'll be giving the link in the description box, you can have a look. This recipe tastes better when you use homemade ghee than store-bought one. When the ghee melts, add the Nendram slices one by one. Let them fry for 3 minutes in medium flame until one side is nice and golden brown. It's been 3 minutes now, so flip to the other side and let this again fry for 3 more minutes in medium flame. After 3 minutes, both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. To the remaining oil, add the remaining Nendram pieces and fry for 3 minutes in medium flame until one side is nice and golden brown. It's been 3 minutes now, so flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 3 more minutes in medium flame. After 3 minutes, both sides are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. You can reuse this remaining ghee for any sweet recipe within 2 days of time. Now we have fried all the Nendran Pazham and it's ready in a plate. Sprinkle some sugar on top. Make sure the Pazham is still hot. The sugar will melt in the heat of the Pazham and it will taste divine. You can also sprinkle some cinnamon powder if you like that flavor. You can serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy to make and also a very tasty dessert recipe. Kids will love this recipe, so do try this Nendram varattiyathu or ghee fried Nendram banana recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.